Are you looking for the top 5 best beach wagons for your summer adventures? Tired of lugging heavy gear to the beach and feeling exhausted before you even arrive? Here are the 5 best options I found, and one you should definitely avoid. Product number 1, Rosong Collapsible Wagon. Let's kick things off with the Rosong Collapsible Wagon, priced at $44.99. What caught my attention was its super lightweight design at just 12 pounds, which makes it easy to carry, and it can hold up to 120 liters of gear. If you want a budget-friendly option that won't weigh you down, this is worth a serious look. Now, here's why this product solves your problem. The space-saving design allows it to fold down to just 22 inches by 9.8 inches by 7.5 inches, meaning it can fit snugly in your car without taking up all your trunk space. The 360-degree rotating front wheels and ergonomic handle make maneuvering a breeze, even when it's loaded. You can easily navigate through crowded beaches or parks without feeling like you're rustling a stubborn mule. Plus, with a heavy-duty steel frame and durable 600D Oxford fabric, it's ready for all-weather use. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It's not just a wagon, it's a reliable companion for grocery runs, beach days, and everything in between. Over 10,000 of these were bought in just the past month, which speaks volumes about its popularity. Now, some people complained about the weight capacity not being sufficient for bigger families or larger gear. Here's the thing though, if you're mainly using it for a few beach towels, snacks, and drinks, it works perfectly. But if you plan on hauling heavier items like coolers or sports gear, you might want to consider something with a higher capacity. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a lightweight, compact wagon that's easy to store and carry. Skip this one if you need to transport heavier loads regularly. At this price point, it's a fantastic value. Now, if the Rosong's weight capacity bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Hikemoon Extra Long Wagon. Next up is the Hikemoon Extra Long Collapsible Wagon, retailing at $56.99. What stood out to me was its 34-inch length, which is 50% longer than standard wagons, making it easier to carry longer items like beach umbrellas or tents. If you need something that offers more space without much extra weight, this is a solid choice. The key feature here is its impressive 360 pounds weight capacity, thanks to its heavy-duty metal frame. This means you can load it up with all your beach gear, and the 600D Oxford fabric is waterproof and tear-resistant, making it durable for all your outdoor activities. The adjustable handle that extends up to 42 inches allows for comfortable pulling regardless of your height. Plus, the wagon folds compactly, saving up to 80% of space when not in use. Here's why this matters for you. You want to ensure your wagon accommodates everything you need without feeling cumbersome. However, some users mention that assembly could be a bit tricky at first. I'll be real with you, it does take a couple of minutes to get everything set up, but once you've done it once, you'll be able to fold and unfold it in seconds. This is perfect for you if you often carry longer items or need a sturdier option for heavier loads. Skip this one if you're looking for something ultra simple with no setup. For what you get, the price is totally justified. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for handling all kinds of terrain. Product number 3, Passamic Collapsible Wagon. Now let's look at the Passamic Collapsible Wagon, priced at $65.22. What really caught my eye is that it only weighs 10.5 pounds, yet can hold up to 220 pounds. If you want something lightweight, but still tough enough to handle a good amount of gear, this is worth considering. This wagon measures 33.5 by 17.7 by 27.9 inches when unfolded, offering ample space for all your beach essentials. The removable, waterproof fabric makes it easy to clean, while the 2 mesh cup holders keep your drinks handy while you're on the go. The 360-degree rotating wheels glide effortlessly over sand or grass, making it a breeze to maneuver. Here's why this matters for you. You need something that can transition smoothly between different terrains without getting stuck or making your life harder. Some complaints included that the handle could be a bit low for taller users. Here's the thing though, the adjustable height does cater to most users, so unless you're super tall, it shouldn't be an issue. This is perfect for you if you like portability without sacrificing capacity. Skip this one if you need a wagon that feels more heavy-duty or has a higher capacity. It's reasonably priced for the quality you get. Now, if the Passamic's handle height was a concern for you, the next option might suit you better. Product number 4, Sayoko Heavy Duty Wagon. Next up is the Sayoko Collapsible Wagon, priced at $119.99. This one really caught my attention with its massive 570 pounds load capacity and spacious 330-liter storage space. If you need something that can carry everything and the kitchen sink, you'll definitely want to hear more about this. What sets this wagon apart is its heavy-duty steel frame, which is 35% thicker than standard frames, ensuring stability even with a full load. The all-terrain big wheels glide over sand, grass, and gravel, making it perfect for any outdoor event. Plus, it folds down to save 80% of space when stored. This is essential for those days when you want to pack light, but still bring everything you need. Over 2,000 of these wagons were sold in the past month, so it's clearly a favorite. However, a downside is that it's on the pricier side, which might not fit every budget. But here's the thing, if you want a wagon that will last and meet your high carrying demands, the investment is worth it. This is perfect for you if you need a heavy-duty option that can handle multiple uses, from camping to grocery shopping. Skip this if you're looking for something lightweight or more budget-friendly. If you're serious about outdoor activities, this is a solid investment. Now, if you're thinking that Sayoko's price is a bit steep, check out my last pick, which offers great value.
Product number 5, Hikemoon 150L Collapsible Wagon. Finally, we have the Hikemoon 150L Collapsible Wagon, priced at $59.99. What I liked about this one is its large capacity of 5.3 cubic feet, which is 50% larger than standard carts, while still being easy to fold down compactly. If you need something spacious yet manageable, this could be your match. This wagon features quick setup. You simply insert the wheels and fasten the fabric, and you're ready to go. The ergonomic auto rebound handle adjusts to your comfort level, making it easy to pull without bending over. With big all-terrain wheels, it's designed to handle various surfaces with ease. Here's why this matters for you. You want to make your beach trips as simple and enjoyable as possible, not a workout in itself. Some users mention that it can feel a bit bulky when fully loaded, but honestly, if you're carrying a lot of gear, that's to be expected. Just be mindful of how you pack it. This is perfect for you if you want an affordable, spacious wagon that's still easy to carry. Skip this one if you need something ultra compact for very small trips. For the price, it's a fantastic value, especially given its size and functionality. Let's recap all 5 options before wrapping up.
So to wrap it up, we've seen the Rosong Collapsible Wagon as a lightweight option, the Hikemoon Extra Long for those needing space, and the Pasamic for those who value portability. Then we had the Sayoko for heavy-duty tasks, and finally the Hikemoon 150L for those wanting great value. Trust me, if I had to pick just one, I'd go with the Sayoko heavy-duty wagon because of its unmatched capacity and durability for all your outdoor adventures. Avoid the Hikemoon Extra Long if you're not ready to deal with assembly issues. I've put all the links in the description below. Check them out and let me know in the comments which one you're going with.